to the foe. Easy motherfucking E with the chrome to your dome. Cruising in my 6'4" rag top. I got a lot of juice, a lot of fucking block. Now when I hit that switch, I'm bouncing. More bounce to the ounce and I'm clowning. Keep the gat in my lap cause I'm fully strapped for the carjackers. But no haps cause I packed up. Check 9. What's an AK-47? Send a one-way ticket to my hell or maybe heaven. Peep, nigga, I don't sleep. Bury motherfuckers in the concrete. They try to creep kinda slow in the Astro. But I peep you niggas out in my left window. So I blast and I blast till I blast no more. Yo, they call a motherfucker John Doe. Pussy nigga had beef, knocked out his teeth. The motherfucker should've stayed his ass home. Hey yo, peep them bitches in a Honda. Go deep with the proper ass style.
Just wait until the rain turns to sunshine. Born in the ghetto, it's the street love. It's one neighborhood and weed spots that we love. Come on. Just wait until the rain turns to sunshine. Born in the ghetto, it's the street love. It's one neighborhood and weed spots that we love. Come on.
And it wouldn't be brawling, we all get involved in it. We should all get a merit. This must be free inherent and wear it like a badge of honor. Pass it around and share it and let it go to whoever's holding the most current beef on the shoulders. And the soldiers got the backs of the soldier. But tonight we ain't coming here to beef with nobody. We came to party. Thanks, Cassius and Mr. Ferrari. So it's shady as him is sad. Back in that ass, you was asking me song. What kind of fucking possession is that?
Wait until the rain turns to sunshine. Born in the ghetto, it's the street love. It's one neighborhood and weed spots that we love. Come on. Until the rain turns to sunshine. Born in the ghetto, it's the street love. It's one neighborhood and weed spots that we love. Come on. I'm barely standing, and plus my second hand say it's midnight. Some Alizé and Cristal guaranteed to get right. Like it's the meanest, it's a small thing. With DJ Quick in this bitch, I live a ball sag. Running through the street life, cause we like young nigga, get your mom on, show them what a G like. Around the corner it's like Vegas, or better yet like Reno. Niggas poppin' welcome to our casino, cause you and me know.
Un patto è un patto. Hai vinto la mia auto. E ti sei guadagnato il mio rispetto.
Te la puoi tenere. Il tuo rispetto è sufficiente per me. Ehi, cugino.